Hello, welcome to Bish's RV in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Ashley, and today we're going to take a quick look at a brand new Newmar Baystar. This is a 2023 model. This is our 3626, and we're going to go ahead and take a look inside. See, this one has a beautiful custom colored paint scheme right here. It is on the new chassis with 7.3 liter V8. Outside entertainment, this one has a lot of options on it. So this one you can see is one of my favorite color schemes. I'm really liking the new modern white and gray tone look. When you come in, you'll notice here we have the TV up. So this is going to allow you to, if you're not big TV watchers, have a nice window there. And one of the other upgrades, we do have the nice sound bar in here. Nice sofa if you need an extra bed in this model. This one is 36 feet 11 inches long, so it is definitely one of the larger Baystars that Newmar makes. We also have it on the 4-door refrigerator here. You can run on gas or propane or electricity. And this is actually one of the few models that has pre-plumbing for washer and dryer. So you can have this be storage space or swap it out for the washer dryer, whichever you prefer. Back in the bedroom here, something Newmar does a lot, opposing slides. So you have plenty of space here to get dressed, get ready. You're also going to have your dual types of shades. There we go, let a little bit more light in. It's an overcast day here, but this is Oregon. And our bathroom here, we'll see we have a full-length mirror on that door. And look at the size and design of that shower. Isn't that gorgeous? They did do a design update here. So you're seeing all of those new features. Still the same type of construction, same type of quality that you would expect from Newmar. Isn't that nice? That new sink. They've been doing some bowl sinks in some of the diesel pushers, but this is the first one we've seen in this model. We also have some new color touch screens this year, so a lot of new gadgets, new upgrades. There's always different furniture options in Newmar as well. This one you have a booth, and because of the length, a total of 3 seating areas. So you have this love seat, the booth, and the 2 recliner chairs. If you want something different or you want different colors, that's definitely something that we can swap out or maybe order for you. Of course, that's all going to match over to the front chairs. They are still going to spin around. Nice extra large screen size. This model has a lot. We appreciate you coming and looking at it with us today. If you have any other questions about this or any of our other models, please feel free to reach out to me directly. Again, my name is Ashley here at Bish's RV, and my direct cell number is 541-337-2387. Call or text me anytime. Thank you so much for watching.